Online shoppers are often uncertain when browsing products. As the shopkeeper, your job is to make that decision as easy as possible, presenting product details clearly and building confidence at every step. A well-designed single product page goes a long way towards that, and Blocksy gives you a carefully considered set of options to get it right. Open the customizer and head to the single product panel to begin. The first option is the product title panel, a arrow section at the top of the product page. It can display the product title, metadata, and breadcrumb navigation. Two design types are available, with type 2 using the product's featured image as the background of the arrow section. Additional options appear based on your chosen design type, including image and alignment controls. The Design tab provides styling controls for fonts, colors, and spacing. The Page Structure section defines the main layout of the product page. You can go with a narrower, more focused layout or expand it to full width. A sidebar is also available, placeable on either the left or right side. The Content Area Style option wraps the entire content area in a box container for a more contained layout. And Content Area Vertical Spacing adds separation between the content and the header and the footer. Moving on to the Page Elements section, keep in mind that some options here are contextual and may differ depending on your active features and whether you're on Blocksy Pro. The Product Gallery options control how your product images are displayed. On the free version of Blocksy, you get a clean, default layout with the gallery on the left and thumbnails displayed alongside it. Blocksy Pro unlocks 3 additional gallery types: a full slideshow with thumbnails at the bottom, a photo grid, and a grid slideshow. Each type offers its own contextual options, such as choosing the number of the columns for grid-based layouts. You can also enable a Lightbox for full-screen photo viewing or a zoom effect that adds a parallax-style interaction when hovering over the image. Image size controls are available to ensure your photos look their best. Next is Product Elements. This is where you control what product information is displayed on the page. Each element can be toggled independently, reordered with a drag and drop, and expanded to access additional options where available. Among the available elements, you'll find breadcrumbs, the product title and price, a short description, add to cart actions, a share box, and elements for most Blocksy Pro Shop Extra modules. The Design tab lets you send fonts and colors for the entire section. The Product Tabs section controls the global WooCommerce Products tabs, where the product description, attributes, and reviews are displayed. 4 design types are available. Type 1 is the classic tab layout. Type 2 adds a more distinctive visual treatment to the tabs. Type 3 presents them as collapsible accordions. Type 4 displays all tabs as a permanently expanded list. You can also choose to position this module inside the Product Elements container for a tighter overall layout. The Related and Upsells section enables the standard WooCommerce related products and upsells, letting you surface relevant products or highlight items that complement the one currently being viewed. Blocksy Pro users can display these sections as sliders. Device visibility controls are available for both. Finally, under Functionality Options, a single toggle enables AJAX Add to Cart on single product pages, allowing products to be added to the cart without a full page reload. And that's the single product page covered. A thorough set of controls that lets you present your products exactly as intended. Single product pages designed to convert. If you'd like to learn more about what Blocksy has to offer, head on over to our website or browse our other videos to keep exploring.